Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on a new hotel to be built in Portmore. Now, Supreme Ventures, the operators of the Caymanas racetrack, plan to develop a commercial complex at the track and build a 12-story hotel that will probably be the tallest building in Portmore. I can't think of any building. Portmore doesn't have a lot of high-rise buildings. There's a hotel out by, well, it used to be a hotel, Port Henderson. It used to be a hotel. I'm trying to remember the name, but it closed down and it's now operating as apartments. But I don't think that building was as tall as 12 floors. If anybody can remember the name of the hotel that used to operate there, leave a comment in the section below. And if there's any building in Portmore higher than 12 floors, leave a name in the comment section below. Okay, so we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. And there's no major hotel chain in Portmore. I know you have smaller hotels on Port Henderson Road, and they're planning to turn that entire strip into a hip strip, but I don't think there's any hotel in Portmore, and Portmore, you know, is going to become a parish very soon, so this is an excellent move to put a hotel over here. Supreme Ventures Limited, one of Jamaica's leading gaming and entertainment companies, has unveiled an ambitious US $100 million redevelopment plan for Caymanas Park, the island's sole horse racing track. This bold initiative signals a new chapter in the life of the 196-acre property located in St. Catherine, envisioning a multi-use complex that blends tradition with tourism, commercial growth, and modern lifestyle amenities. At the heart of the transformation is SVL's commitment to reposition Caymanas Park not merely as a sporting venue, but as a world-class entertainment and tourism destination. While horse racing will remain central to the complex, the company's long-term strategy is to diversify the space and its revenue streams. This aligns with international trends, where racetracks around the globe are evolving into vibrant lifestyle hubs featuring retail, hospitality, and family-friendly attractions. A standout feature of the plan is the construction of a 12-story, 3-star hotel, a first for the area and a significant step toward attracting both local and international visitors. The hotel is part of a broader commercial center envisioned for the site, offering shopping, dining, and leisure opportunities. Together, these developments are aimed at turning Caymanas Park into a multi-purpose destination, potentially hosting everything from race days and gaming events to conferences, weekend retreats, and cultural showcases. The redevelopment project is estimated at US $100 million, approximately 16 billion Jamaican dollars, with implementation planned over a 10-year period. This phased approach allows SVL to gradually build out the infrastructure while maintaining the day-to-day operations of the track. However, to fully execute this vision on its own terms, SVL is seeking full ownership of Caymanas Park, which is currently held by the government through Caymanas Track Limited. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So this is great news for Portmore. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.